Hello viewers, welcome to Dodgy Dave's garage, eh? Anyway, today we have a little timing chain noise when we start this car up, and yeah, doesn't seem bloody damn good, does it? And yeah, don't have a clue what's going on, but we'll find out soon, eh? As usual, hang around with me, myself, Dodgy Dave, and hopefully we'll get this dodgy little engine sorted out. Now let's just give it a quick little start to see what's going on with it, eh? Alright, poor blimey. It's bloody damn hot today, that's for sure. Anyway, inside this little Yaris 1.3 2010 model, 1.3 litre I believe, petrol. Anyway, customers come to me saying that when they start it, they hear a rattling sound. Let's see if this happens right now. Oh, slight little sound, I would say. Nothing too significant. Oh, never mind. Let's get under the hood and see what's going on, eh?